This is the camera, you know. But
if I give you 1,000, what will you address? What will you tell?
I will tell you, but this is Uganda. I'm here to see president. First, bring 1,000. Don't.
I will give you 1,000. You have 10?
Bring 1,000.
You have 10? You have 10? I'll give you. I'll give you. You give 1K. You give the change. I'll give you. Change. I bring you the change.
Give me 1K. You bring 1K. My English.
What will you address? Very important to Uganda here.
You first give money. I don't money.
I will give you money, but what will you tell? What? Okay, I understand.
1K euro.
But what will you address? Something important to Uganda.
Sina chenja bagamba kuba mikolo gya Baganda. Uganda. We are going to
address because Uganda.
I know it's Uganda.
Yeah.
What will you address? Very important to Uganda.
You first give us.
I'll give. Tell me what topic will you talk? What topic will you talk about?
Give us.